Hello, this is Easy, and I got a script that you can download and try. It's not perfect. It's going to be open source because I'm hoping somebody can fix this because it's actually pretty cool, and I'm going to show you in another app how it actually works. It's going to be in the Z plugin folder because we're going to need to set up a hotkey for this. But let me open up another app and show you. Okay, we're going to be using Hexagon, and we're going to be using this option called Extrude Surface, and we're going to extrude on the face. And when I click this, there will be 4 options over here. So when I click here, then click on the face, you can see that how this scales up like this, and I can move it in and out. Alright, I think the Z modeler brushes, I can't get one to do this. I don't know if the extrude's not working or the key remesh. If I click up here or drag up here, then click, then I can just drag out and click, which I think is pretty cool. I can also, if you look over here, I can cycle through the brushes by tapping the space bar. As you can see, I can move this up and down like this. I don't see this possible in ZBrush to move this up and down this easy. I know it works with the move tool, but I can't get it to do this. So let me scoot this back a little bit. Doesn't seem to work very well like this. Now I'm going to tap the space bar again, and it's got this slide. This don't seem to be a problem with the Z modeler brush on that one. The insert, that seems to be working. So I click here, and I can tap the space bar again to cycle through another thing. So it's just like, this is pretty cool where you can just click, and double click when you're done. Alright, let's open up ZBrush and take a look, see what we can do with this. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to press load the Z modeler, and it's going to load 4 of the brushes because it's going to toggle 4. So we're going to load these, and as you can see here, we got scale, move, extrude, and inset. Kind of trying to mimic the one over in Hexagon. So we need to set up a hotkey for this. So I'm going to Control-Alt click this, and it's going to ask me to assign a hotkey, and I'm going to use Q on this. And every time that I press Q, you'll see this update over here. It says Z scale, so I'll press Q. It says Z move, press Q, the hotkey, then Z extrude, then Z inset. Alright, let's go to the scale. This don't seem to work very well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm trying to do it like in Hexagon. So if I press Q again, the hotkey, the move, it's alright. And extrude, extrudes it, but I can't scale it. Alright. If I right click here, even if I was used to do the key remesh, I don't see that option even happening. So this toggles 4 brushes, like I said. So every time I press a hotkey, you'll see up here it changes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Marcus, I think Civic's the one that wrote the toggle script. For 2 toggles, I made this for 4. If anybody can get this working, I don't know if there's some settings I need to do in these brushes to get them to work, or if this has to be done with a script where once you extrude this, then you let the mouse button go, the left mouse button go or something, and then it scales it. And I don't know if it can be possible, but anyway, open source. If anybody can maybe find a guru that could fix this, it'd be pretty cool. So it'd be just like Hexagon. Thank you.